This is the older version of the Fridge Phonics. It has 2 volume settings, and these are the letters it uses. Thank you. And I just wanted to point out that this is the newer version of the Fridge Phonics alphabet letter set. And these are the letters that it uses. So you can see that they're different colors and different sizes. But, and my son's playing with that one. But, so if you go to buy replacement letters on eBay, just note the size and the color difference. The reds are pretty similar, but once again, they're different sizes. So, this has, like I said, 2 volume settings. That's low. That's high. And these will not work in there. And this button will give you the alphabet. D. And it's very similar to this one in its actions and everything. Here's D for this one. D. And we're on high on both of them, so let's try 2 different letters. How about B? B. Every letter makes a sound. B says B. B says B. B says B. Every letter makes a sound. B says B. And this button does the same thing that this button does. It's an alphabet song. So really the only difference between these two, if you're looking to buy them used, is that this one uses smaller letters and this one uses larger letters. And actually when I was on eBay, the larger letters were easier to find because they're older, so there's more abundance of them, and they're also used in more toys, in some other toys, like the Word Whammer also uses the older version of these letters. So, just something I wanted to point out. So, the newer Fridge Phonics and then the older Fridge Phonics. Overall, they teach the same things. They have the same style buttons. Just one's a doghouse and this one's a pond. But I hope this review helps you. Have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you.